Hi, my name is Laux. I'm maintenance supervisor for DeKalb County Eastern Schools. I would like to take a minute of your time to let you know what we are doing to keep our schools clean and germ-free. We are taking every precaution that we can to keep your kids safe and in the best environment for learning as possible. Here's what we're doing. When your child walks into his or her school, they will be greeted with a hand sanitizer and will be encouraged to use them. When they go into their classroom, they'll be greeted with a hand sanitizer and will be encouraged to use them. We'll have disinfectant in classrooms so desks can be cleaned throughout the day and to make sure that the space is germ-free. We'll also have sprayers that we'll be using throughout the day to disinfect large areas, and also foggers that we'll be using every evening to make sure that the school is sanitized completely. Our school buses will be fogged before and after their routes, and our goal is to keep everyone safe and here at school so they can learn. Thank you. Have a good day. Hi guys, Rod again. Hey, I just wanted to talk about a couple of things that we're doing this school year that's a little bit different. For one, we're going to be using a sprayer in each classroom throughout the day. It'll have vinyl oxide in it, which is a disinfectant that is a hospital grade. It's been used a long time in hospitals. It's a safe, effective way for disinfecting. And then also we have a fogger that at the end of the day, whenever the custodians are in, they'll be fogging the whole school, and it'll get every little inch of the school. So, we just want to, let you guys know that we're doing everything that we can to make the school as safe as possible so the kids can learn. So, thanks again.